Log into WordPress dashboard, then click on plugins, add new, search for MailChimp for WP, activate the plugin. You will see MailChimp for WP option. Now click on forms. We are going to create a new form. Let's add form name. Here you will see a form is quite simple. So let's change the code in the description box below. You can change style by adding code, HTML code. Now click on Save Changes button. You can change message from here. Here is the code which we will going to add in our Elementor shortcode. Search for shortcodes, drag and drop. Now here you will see, paste the code, and here you go. Your form is added to your page. If you want to know how I integrate this form with MailChimp, then watch our next video, link in the description box below. Thanks for watching.